Hey everybody, I thought I'd show you the difference between the sound of the Leovent's SBK2 Evolution exhaust on the Fz6 with the baffles in and the baffles out. So first of all, I'm going to install the baffles. That's what these are here. We'll see what they sound like. Okay, let's start it up here. Okay, now with the baffles out and these inner pieces installed, sent with the exhaust by Leovent's, it's meant to, I believe, to protect your plastic end cap from heat. We'll install those and take the baffles out. There's the comparison, baffles in and then baffles out. That's your Leovent's SBK2 Evolution Series exhaust, and this is on my 05 Yamaha Fz6. Guys, if you want a good quality exhaust, go out and get this one. Leovent's makes a great quality exhaust for $539. You can't beat that.